In this video, I'm going to show you how to export an Amazon seller's products to Excel. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's go. To export Amazon seller products to Excel, we'll use the Amazon Seller Products Extractor. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Search for the Amazon Seller Products Extractor. Click on the bot name. Click on the green button. Name your job. Set the number of products. Specify the Amazon domain. Open a product page and click on the seller name. Copy the seller ID from the link. Paste the seller ID. Select notification type: email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted product list to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported Amazon seller products with prices, descriptions, ratings, and more. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster and get access to the Amazon Seller Products Extractor and dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.